Feasible WTI. You would agree that having good quality water is very important. That's why I'm sharing this water system with you today. Waterdrop G3P800 reverse osmosis system provides a 9-layer of deep filtration with an 800-gallon capacity. I love the 3:1 ratio, which means you get 3 cups of filtered water and only 1 cup of water waste. This manufacturer made it very easy to install with very clear instructions. Once it was ready to go, I loved how it looked so neat and there was no need of any bulky water tank. This water filter easily fits under the sink, but we decided to put it on the side to make use of under the sink for other items. Also provides an extra filtration of UV sterilizer that kills bacteria. There's no need anymore to bring to an attic, the 3rd floor, literally, the 5-gallon jug. This has not only allowed us to save time and money, but has made everything so convenient. I wanted to test this water, so I compared it to the tap water and the filter water using this testing strips. It was very easy, and once I was reading the results, comparing it, even noticing the difference in smell since the tap water smells like chlorine, it was very nice to find out that this filter provides good quality water. Comparing the test pads to the color chart really allowed me to see that the tap water is very hard water and has more chlorine. I'm really loving this filter. The water is delicious. You're gonna see it's not loud at all. And I love the monitor that allows me to see the quality of my water. So if you're trying to provide the best quality water for your family, save time and money, I highly recommend this filter, and that is my point of view.